Hello everyone, I am Rakshita MMJ. My topic is Smart Traffic Analysis using Machine Learning. These are the contents I'll cover in this video. The first is Introduction. As we know that India is a country with a huge population, there is always a long wait for the people on the roads of the cities. So smart traffic analysis will play a major role in the major cities of India and also in the other countries. A smart city is an urban area that uses different types of electronic data collection sensors to supply information which is used to manage assets and resources efficiently. This includes the data collected from citizens, devices, and assets that is processed and analyzed to monitor and manage the traffic and transport systems. The traffic analysis in the smart cities is often fully automated, so traffic information has to be provided accurately on the internet for the user purpose. The main objectives of our project is the first priority is to reduce the possibility of overjamming of vehicles and see smooth passage of automobiles without causing the disturbances to other passerby. The another important goal is to control the air pollutants that are emitted by the motor vehicles into the atmosphere, causing the drastic effect on the atmosphere and also result in the serious health hazards. Area of the project. We are using some machine learning algorithms like random forest algorithm which will predict the traffic in a particular areas which user want to know. Why we are using random forest algorithm is because it gives the accurate analysis of the traffic data and accident data. Using the data sets, we predict the traffic in the particular areas and accident prone regions. We are using a new algorithm called TAM algorithm. This algorithm will help in classifying whether the traffic is more or less in a particular area based on the dataset loaded. Methodology. The dataset for this project is created for some random places on our own by comparing with the other datasets. Using the datasets, we predict the traffic in a particular areas and accident prone regions. The reason for creating a own dataset was to use the data that can be analyzed on the roads of India. The data in general has the details about the places in the form of nodes, time, and distance for the traffic data. In our traffic analysis using machine learning, we would be using random forest algorithm to analyze the delay between the nodes. The delay will help us to choose the route of the less traffic. The reason for using the random forest is that the random forest will actually construct a number of decision trees while training and outputting the classes, that is mode of all the classes are can be said as mean prediction of the decision trees. TAM algorithm. This algorithm will help in classifying whether the traffic is more or less in a particular region. Here is the design of the TAM algorithm. There are 5 modules as follows. They are dataset generation, feature identification, feature extraction, machine learning algorithm used for analysis, and the last step is verification. The first is dataset generation. The dataset generation for this project is generated based on the available datasets for traffic analysis. The dataset is created for a particular location based on our need. The dataset will be in the form of .csv file. The second is identification. The necessary features for the project are to be identified like time, distance, delay, vehicle number, etc. The features which are associated with the project are identified for the dataset by using which the analysis could be easily performed. Next is a feature extraction. Feature extraction will in general make use of dimensionality reduction procedure to reduce and consider only those necessary attributes that are necessary for the project like time, distance, nodes between which the traffic in general is identified. The fourth step is machine learning algorithm used for analysis. Here we are using as I've told earlier TAM algorithm. This algorithm will help in classifying whether the traffic is more or less in a particular area based on the dataset loaded into the algorithm. The last step is verification step. The verification step will check whether the analysis done on the dataset is proper or not. This means the analysis step is giving the proper result or not. The advantages are smart traffic analysis will help the users in finding the shortest path to the destination without any loss of time. The system that is being developed with the help of time of travel of a person and also would help in the safety of that person by avoiding the accident prone regions. Future scope of our project is that we would like to extend the area of traffic analysis from one particular place to a number of places. We would also like to add reinforcement learning to this model for safe learning in the future without any extra data needed. We would like to create a mobile application which could work as a user interface for providing a user data in the form of voice. The conclusion is that the traffic analysis model based on the random forest algorithm is presented. The main aim behind doing this project is to analyze the traffic and provide a model which could actually reduce the traffic to some extent in a particular area. I would like to conclude by saying the need for using machine learning for this project it is because the analysis is being performed on random data by using a machine learning algorithms which will help in training the model for new data which basically means for learning. And these are the references of my project. Thank you.